No, I know you like me too, right?
Do you know who I am?
Yes, of course. You don't think I know Mr. Checkpoint? Come on, man. What am I?
Sergeant and
Traffic.
Sergeant and traffic.
Yeah, so Mr. Checkpoint, I should know you, right?
What do you think?
Let me find out what's going on.
All right, then we could talk.
Yeah, we'll talk.
Beautiful. So yeah, he said that Beverly Hills PD's treated him really nicely, and he appreciates their service. But he's not going to jail, is he?
He has to get a citation because there's an allegation. There's a crime.
There's always allegations.
I know, but we have to act on it. Police?
How about
just ignore it.
You know what I wish?
Yeah.
You would respond to that allegation like you do when people have allegations of other officers in your department. Just think about that.
We investigate everything.
Yeah.
All this is.
And how often? Yeah, never. That's a different convo. But I want to have that convo.